In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Drive to Miro, which will allow you to conveniently export your boards and keep them stored safely on your Google Drive. This feature makes it easy to collaborate and share your work with team members or save it for future reference. Let's dive into the steps for setting up this integration. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to miro.com. Once you're on the Miro homepage, you'll see the option to log in located at the top right corner of the page. Click on that login button and you'll be directed to the sign in page. Here you have a couple of options. You can choose to sign in with your email or use your Google account for a quicker login. If you're like me and prefer the convenience of using Google, go ahead and click on the Google sign in button. Miro will then ask you to confirm your choice by clicking on the Continue with Google button. Once you're signed in and ready to access your boards, take a look at the dashboard. You'll see all of your existing boards displayed there. Click on the board you wish to connect with Google Drive. At the top of the screen, next to your board's name, there's an option that says Export this board. Click on that and you will see multiple export options. Among the options available, select Save to Google Drive. If it's your first time using this feature, you will need to connect your Google Drive account with Miro. Click on the provided link to initiate this process. It's important to ensure you're logged into the correct Google account, the one you wish to store your Miro boards on. After you have verified the Google account, you will be asked to grant Miro permission to access your Google Drive. This is a standard part of the process and necessary for the integration to work effectively. Click Allow to move forward. Now Miro will conduct the connection with your Google Drive. You may encounter a button labeled Continue, which assures that the connection process proceeds without interference. Click on Continue, and then again as the summary page appears. Finally, you'll be taken back to your Miro board with Google Drive successfully connected. Now whenever you need to save your work, all you have to do is click Save to Google Drive, and your board will be exported directly there. That wraps up today's tutorial on how to connect Google Drive to Miro. This integration is perfect for maintaining an organized workspace and ensuring that your collaborative efforts with Miro boards are securely backed up. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.